Hey you guys, we are on our final day of our DGP number 2 using this sentence that is the dust particles are actually tiny scales. So on this last day of DGP, we are going to diagram the subject and the predicate in the sentence. And in your slides you can see that the diagram is all set up. We just need to put the subject and predicate, which are located below, in the correct spots. So just a refresher from last week when we did this. If you look in your DGP reference materials, the Big Scary Packet, on day 4 notes, these first 2 bullet points are very, very important to help us do this, okay? So the first bullet point says, put the subject or subjects on the left side of the plus sign. So if we look at our diagram, this long horizontal line and this short vertical line kind of creates that plus sign, okay? So the subject or subjects go on the left, and then the second bullet point, which is super important, you're going to put the verb or verbs on the right side of that plus sign. So luckily, on our first day of DGP, we found the nouns and verbs. Our second day, we found the subject and the predicate. So we've really done all the work for today already. We just need to fit the puzzle pieces in. So if we looked back at either our first day of DGP or our second day, we would remember that are is our linking verb in this sentence, and we know that verbs are going to go on the right side of the plus sign. We know that from our Big Scary Packet. So we're going to move are, our linking verb, to the right side. Ooh, good thing I'm doing this now. We're going to bring to the front. There we go. Okay, so that'll be fixed when you guys go in and do this. And we'll do the same thing here. Arrange, oops, bring this to the front. So when I pull it up, it'll be on top of the diagrammed handwriting. Okay, so we have our verb on the right side of the plus sign, and our subject, which is what the sentence is about, which in this case is particles, is going to go on the left side. So we're going to drag that up there. Perfect. All right, and for now, we're just diagramming the subject and the predicate. So once you've done that, you are done for the day. So you will go ahead and hit share, and you can share that with me. Or if you just want to use a piece of loose leaf and draw this diagram yourself and write in all of the words for it, you can totally do that as well. Whatever is easiest for you guys, okay? All right, I hope everybody has a wonderful day, and I hope you guys have a great long weekend. And we will see you guys next week. Bye-bye.